What's up, BLU fans? It's B-Man here to introduce BLU's all-new F92e 5G smartphone. This device delivers a powerful performance while showcasing a stunning, sleek design. The F92e has a smooth, matte glass back that truly feels premium. The F92e supports 5G networks, giving you lightning-fast internet speeds and smooth streaming. Experience ultra-fast speeds with the F92e's MediaTek Dimensity 700 and 2.2 GHz octa-core processor with ARM Cortex-A76. You can also enjoy the ease of multitasking with 4 GB of RAM, along with the ability to store tons of memories and music with 128 GB of storage. This device also comes equipped with a triple AI 50 megapixel camera. Takes stunning pictures and videos while shooting in low light or capture fast-moving action. And best of all, in true BLU fashion, this device comes with everything you need in one box. All included is the device itself, a hefty screen protector, rugged case, quick guide, sticker, charger, USB-C charging cable, headphones, and SIM key. Overall, the F92e offers a great combination of performance, design, and most importantly, affordability. You can check out this beauty in all of its glory on our website. We hope you enjoy BLU's latest device on the market.